Shine bright up all night. We're never slowing down.
Hey everyone, today's tutorial will be on this eye look. It's pink smoky shimmery eye makeup tutorial. This is a beginner friendly tutorial. There's no cut crease in this eye makeup look. If you are interested in knowing how to get this step by step, then please continue watching this tutorial. I'm wearing blue lens. You'll find link to this product in the description box below along with the other products that I would be using here in the tutorial. Let's get started now. As for makeup palette, I would be using a very small palette from Swiss Beauty and picking this brown eyeshadow and packing on my outer V. I'm using flat fluffy brush. Turn the brush and sharpen outer V edge. Next, I would be using this pink eyeshadow. This is very pigmented and a very beautiful eyeshadow in the palette. Begin applying on the crease, mixing it with the outer V eyeshadow. Blend it well here. Move the brush in circular motion. Hold the brush very lightly for smokiness to appear. Blend it with the outer V eyeshadow. Take time here, it will take time for the eyeshadow to blend with the brown eyeshadow. Move the brush back and forth. Do this for a considerable amount of time for the eyeshadow to seem blended with the chocolate brown eyeshadow. Next, I'm picking the shimmery eyeshadow and packing it on my eye mid. This palette is from Swiss Beauty. All the eyeshadows in this palette are shimmery, very pigmented and beautiful eyeshadows. Next, I'm using this eyeshadow. This is lighter than the previous eyeshadow. Do not cross your crease line. Keep both the shimmery eyeshadows within the crease line. Be very careful when you're applying. Next, I'm creating winged eyeliner. After creating winged eyeliner, I would be creating pointed inner corner. Pointed inner corner shapes your eye look, shapes your eye, and your eye makeup look seems very beautiful after creating it. Feel the difference before and after creating pointed inner corner. I'm coating kajal on my waterline next. I would be smudging the kajal on my lower lash line after coating kajal. I want traces of pink eyeshadow. I'm applying pink eyeshadow here. Next, I'm applying mascara on my eyelashes. Intensify your eyelashes well using mascara. Lastly, I'm using foil from Swiss Beauty to highlight my brow bone. You'll find link to this beautiful foil in the description box below. It is in silver tone, a very beautiful foil, and it's done. If you like this eye makeup look, then please consider subscribing my channel for more such tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.